The Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL prove how AI features complement the experience with practical features that just work, all while sporting upgrades to their display, cameras, and performance. Just as a reminder, the Pixel 8 Pro launched at $100 more than its predecessor last year with its $999 starting cost, and that's for a phone with a 6.7-inch display. That's why the Pixel 9 Pro XL is regarded as its true successor because of its 6.8-inch display, whereas the Pixel 9 Pro has a smaller 6.3-inch one. Unfortunately, Google's also marking up the prices of its new Pixels. I think it's a mistake because Pixels have historically undercut the competition, making them much more appealing options without forking over the typical flagship cost. The Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL fetch for $999 and $1,099 respectively, which means yet another $100 increase for a phone with the same sized screen as the Pixel 8 Pro. Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL pre-orders are available right now, with 4 color options to choose from: Obsidian, Porcelain, Hazel, and Rose Quartz. Google's unintentionally putting itself in a bind with this year's Pixels because of the price hike for the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's hard to tell right now if the $100 increase is justified by its new AI features, so I think it will ultimately come down to how well these flagships perform in all the usual categories. On the flip side, however, I have to applaud Google for giving its smaller phone the same amount of love by keeping the same set of cameras mount with the pricier Pixel 9 Pro XL. In fact, it's a front runner for those who prefer smaller phones. These phones kick off the upcoming holiday season, so they can't afford to come up short knowing that the iPhone 16 is right around the corner. They need to set the bar high or face being written off by competing device between now and the end of the year. I know that price hikes are inevitable, but these Pixels need to overperform in order to stay relevant and remain competitive.